Hey, I'm Byron, a Globetrotting comedian. And last year I took all my gig money and I hit the road. The goal is to travel around the world, have as much fun as humanly possible, and see everything. And boy did I. Bellagio in Texas, atop the rock of Cashel. The Atomium, Brussels Stonehenge, platform 9 3/4 at King's Cross Station in London. Sobrino de Botín, the oldest restaurant in the world. The smallest house in Great Britain. Normandy! I made a ton of new friends. Embarrassed myself emulating local culture. And did stupid things. Like this. I'm gonna try and communicate with the next car that comes by. There they are, say hi! Yeah, we did it! This is British CrossFit. Right on! But tonight, I'm Albanian. I'm rooting for Albania against Turkey. Go, Crows, or something. Oh no! Well, they say some places are a one-horse town, and I think this counts. I got my scuba certification diving the Great Barrier Reef, and my hashtag influencer certification by jumping off of a dock at sunset in Thailand. I saw concerts big and small, and whatever this is. I fed monkeys on top of a friggin' mountain, and fed myself. Literally everything. And whether it was by helicopter or goosebump-inducing road, I did whatever it took to get views like this. Oh, and if Game of Thrones was filmed anywhere nearby, I recreated scenes, shot for shot. Speaking of swords, on stage with Sir Ian McKellen.
Have you got one of these?
No, they were 10 pounds.
You're looking at a penniless blogger.
I brought my best friend with me wherever I went. No, not the dog, my drone, Bird the Third. Don't ask what happened to the first two. It was the best year of my life, and I'm just getting started. So come along for the ride, and together, we'll be totally effing lost.